Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2023 Volkswagen Transporter. This is a long wheelbase crew cab. This one comes with just over 17,500 miles upon the clock. This only comes with 4 doors, as it does have a tailgate at the back rather than barn doors. And once again, as it being a crew cab, it does come with that one side door as well. There's a 5-seater 6-speed manual transmission in the car as well. This comes with cruise control, hands-free cooling, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice recognition, air conditioning, radio, Bluetooth, etc. And it does also come with parking sensors as well. I will just show you the back 3 seats as well. As you can see, now there is plenty of space in here for 5 people to sit comfortably upon a journey. And I will just show you the load area as well at the back. May you note that this does not come with a bulkhead, but it does come with a bit of glass at the back through the tailgate, so that you do have a rear view mirror inside of one of these things, improving that visibility massively compared to other vans as well. Now this does come interior lit, ply lined at the back here as well. There's cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry as well in the back of these things, as well as a tow bar. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Volkswagen Transporter, then please do feel free to head over to our website, Anchor Vans. The link is in the description. You can type in this reg plate here and you can find all sorts of things about it, or any other vans for that matter. You might find a different one you like slightly more. Or you can head down to our site in Papworth, just outside of Reading, where you can discover this van and many other ones in person, take it for a drive, see how you feel about it, and you never know, maybe one day this could be on your driveway. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.